Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button because today we're diving into some exclusive strategies on how to get rich in 2025. These aren't your run-of-the-mill tips, folks. I'm talking about unique, innovative ways to grow your wealth in the coming year. The future of wealth is being built right now, so let's not waste any more time and jump straight into it. Build and monetize AI tools for specific industries. The AI revolution is here, and it's only going to accelerate in 2025. But here's the twist. Instead of just using AI, create tools that cater to specific industries. AI is taking over everything from marketing to customer support to HR. You could develop an AI-driven solution for small business owners in niche fields, like AI-powered scheduling tools for wedding planners or AI-based inventory management for local shops. When you create highly specialized AI tools, you'll meet an underserved demand in specific industries, creating massive value and big profits. Invest in green real estate and sustainable infrastructure. As we move into 2025, sustainability will be one of the most profitable sectors. Investing in green real estate, properties that are energy efficient and eco-friendly, is a smart move. You could build or invest in eco-friendly housing developments like solar-powered homes or commercial properties designed to reduce energy consumption. As more people prioritize sustainable living, these properties will be highly valuable, attracting eco-conscious buyers and renters willing to pay a premium. Create subscription models for niche markets. We all know subscription-based businesses are thriving, but here's the kicker. Focus on highly specific niche markets. A general subscription service may work for big brands, but niches offer incredible profit potential. Think of a subscription box for luxury vintage pen enthusiasts, or a membership service offering exclusive digital templates for graphic designers. The more niche you go, the more likely your audience will be loyal and willing to pay recurring fees for value they can't get elsewhere. Build and sell digital products or courses for profitable skills. In 2025, people are increasingly hungry for new skills that can boost their income or personal growth. If you have expertise in a high-demand area, creating and selling digital products or online courses is a fantastic way to get rich. Create an online course teaching Web 3.0 development, cryptocurrency, NFTs, blockchain, or design a series of ebooks and templates around a high-demand niche, like mastering the art of AI-assisted design. The key is identifying what skills will be in demand and monetizing your knowledge. Become a virtual real estate developer in the metaverse. The metaverse isn't just a buzzword, it's a whole new digital world. In 2025, virtual real estate will be a multi-billion-dollar market. So why not get ahead of the curve and invest in or develop virtual land? You can purchase virtual land in popular metaverse platforms like Decentraland or The Sandbox, develop it into a virtual mall or event space, and rent it out for advertising or virtual events. You could also create virtual businesses, like a VR art gallery or concert venue, and charge people to access your spaces. Build an influencer network or platform. Influencers have taken over the internet, but here's the twist. Instead of becoming an influencer yourself, build a platform or network that helps connect influencers with brands and audiences in specialized fields. Build a niche platform where influencers in specific industries like ecotourism or sustainable fashion can connect with brands looking for their audience. You could also build a micro-influencer agency that focuses on local or highly specialized niches, helping brands collaborate with influencers who have highly engaged small communities. Launch a peer-to-peer marketplace for specialized goods and services. The peer-to-peer economy is booming, and in 2025, there's room to scale. The idea here is to create a specialized marketplace where people can buy and sell goods or services that aren't easily found on traditional platforms. Create a marketplace that connects craft beer brewers with people who want to try unique, locally brewed beers, or a marketplace for luxury vintage tech gadgets. Whether it's rare collectibles or high-demand services, providing a platform that connects people in a specific niche can lead to significant growth. Enter the automated personalization market. In 2025, automation and personalization are key. People want tailored experiences, and businesses need automation to provide them efficiently. If you can offer solutions that combine both, you're in the money. Create a platform or software that helps small e-commerce businesses automate personalized experiences for their customers, like AI-driven product recommendations, customized email marketing campaigns, or automated social media posts. These tools are in high demand because they save businesses time and boost profits. Invest in cryptocurrency and blockchain startups. Cryptocurrency and blockchain technology will continue to thrive, and many exciting opportunities are opening up. Instead of just investing in coins, look for opportunities to invest in blockchain startups. You could invest in decentralized finance, DeFi projects, or platforms offering tokenized real estate, where you can invest in fractional shares of properties. Alternatively, look into new decentralized applications, DApps, or non-fungible tokens, NFTs, that promise to revolutionize industries like gaming or supply chain management. Create a personalized health and wellness business. In 2025, health and wellness will continue to be a billion-dollar industry. But don't just focus on fitness. Think of creating personalized wellness experiences that merge technology with health. Start a business that offers personalized wellness plans based on DNA testing or health data from wearables like Fitbit or Apple Watch. You could offer subscription services that provide tailored fitness plans, mental health support, and even nutritional meal plans. The more personalized, the better the demand, and the higher the profit. The common thread here is that the future of wealth lies in creating value in specialized, innovative areas. It's about thinking outside the box, staying ahead of the curve, and investing in what's next. What do you think? Any of these ideas spark your imagination? Drop a comment below with your thoughts, and if you have any ideas of your own, share them. And if you haven't yet, make sure to subscribe for more tips and tricks on building wealth in this fast-evolving world. Until next time, keep innovating and get ready to make 2025 your year.